Hi, my fifth technology that I am going to introduce you guys to is called StorylineOnline.net. I came across this website a couple years ago when I was teaching kindergarten and absolutely fell in love with it, and my third graders love it still as well. It's used for students to listen to reading online. I use it for content area or during part of my daily 5 of listen to reading. The standard it's linked with is 6B and 6D. Basically, it's just a whole bunch of books that are being read aloud by celebrities. They can go through and search. There's several books down each row in line, many different ones to choose from, and the students can kind of click on the book, and then when it opens up, each one, you can choose SchoolTube or YouTube, either one, that when it's offered in both of them, that way you know SchoolTube, it's safer ads if any ads would show up. But each story is read aloud by a different celebrity, and it gives the students a chance to listen to the different reading. Some of my struggling students in my SPED program fell in love with the website and really enjoyed hearing the books read aloud as well. So I did use it as part of my daily 5 listen to reading station, is where it came in handy mostly for me. My kindergartners used it more often. When I was teaching kindergarten, I also had access to iPads, so I could have it as a whole center during our guided reading stations, and it was very useful for them as well. I'm not sure why this story hasn't pulled up yet, but normally the books pull right up, and then the students can listen right to them. Sometimes if a story doesn't work, I always just tell the students to go back and choose a different story. For some reason, sometimes they might not work as well, but usually they just pull right up like this, and then they can hit play, and they can listen to the story, and then they can go back. They can also search for what book, if they have a certain book they're looking for. They can search for it as well. And so that is StorylineOnline.net.